Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting announcement to share with you. The unveiling of the all-new Jeep Avenger, the brand's first-ever battery electric vehicle. This highly anticipated vehicle is designed and built in Europe and perfectly tailored to the needs of European customers. Let's dive into the details of this game-changing electric SUV. The Jeep Avenger. The Jeep Avenger is a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on style, functionality, or technology. It's incredibly roomy inside and offers great flexibility for passengers and cargo. The Avenger is both dynamic and easy to handle, making it perfect for off-road adventures and city life. Key features. The Avenger is packed with advanced technology, including hands-on automated driving capability, and boasts a stress-free range of up to 400 km WLTP and up to 550 km in city driving. Its fast charging capability allows you to charge 30 km in just 3 minutes. The Jeep brand's future. The introduction of the Jeep Avenger marks the beginning of the next phase of electrification for the Jeep brand. By the end of 2030, Jeep aims to make their European sales 100% pure electric, supporting Stellantis' net zero carbon goals. Awards and recognition. The all-new electric Jeep Avenger has already received multiple accolades, including Car of the Year 2023 and Best Family SUV in the 2023 Women's World Car of the Year (WWCOTY) Awards. Design and functionality. The Jeep Avenger is designed with European customers in mind, featuring a functional design, compact dimensions, a roomy and versatile interior, a sustainable powertrain, cutting-edge technology, and full connectivity. Capability and performance. As a pure expression of concentrated freedom, the Avenger offers Jeep's trademark performance in a compact form. It's the first front-wheel drive Jeep vehicle equipped with select terrain and hill descent control, making it capable of tackling unexpected off-road challenges. Conclusion. The all-new Jeep Avenger is truly a game-changer in the electric SUV market, combining capability, style, and technology in a compact package. This exciting vehicle is just the beginning of Jeep's commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking electric SUV. Outro. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive news and reviews. Let us know your thoughts on the all-new Jeep Avenger in the comments below. See you in the next video.